it's Sarena. We're here today to talk about my favorite breakfast, oatmeal. I actually take oatmeal to the office every day. Everyone's asking me, what do you put in that? Because it smells so good. Well, I put in a little secret protein. I love adding the protein powder to, especially the vanilla one, to my overnight oats. It makes it nice and creamy with that extra boost of protein. You get chia seeds in here and in here, so you've got your omegas set for the day. I'm gonna show you how to put it together. So, you open up your cup, and we made it really easy because there's a line in there that tells you where to add your liquid. But before you add your liquid, I would add a scoop of your protein powder in here, stir that together so that you don't have it overflowing. Then after you do that, add your almond milk, regular milk, hemp milk, oat milk, whatever you want to add in here to the line. Give it a nice stir, cover it back up, put it in the refrigerator. So here I have an oat cup that I already did, and I'll show you this super creamy, nice and thick, luscious breakfast that you can take on the go with you, and it's ready to go.